Hey, welcome back. Well, today we didn't quite get up to our seasonal average here in Portland. As our Sunday, we topped off at 75 degrees. Eugene, Roseburg, and Medford, though, getting into the 80s, as did much of the Gorge, the Dalles. Yeah, you maxed out at 83 and a nice mild day on the coast. So something we've been keeping an eye on are there hazy skies, especially for much of southern Oregon, central Oregon. So right now until 8 p.m. we're looking at this air quality advisory for Lane County and that portion of southern Oregon, but central and eastern Washington, their air quality advisory, I should say, it continues through Monday evening. Lincoln City, it is quite beautiful out there right now, 61 degrees, few clouds in the mix, but Mount Hood Meadows is seeing fairly clear skies on this Sunday at 62 degrees up there at Meadows. Making our way out to the Tualatin Valley, Forest Grove coming in at 77 degrees with those calm winds. And then back here in Portland, we're seeing that mix of clouds along with the hazy skies. It is 75 degrees in PDX. Our winds have been calm on this Sunday. The dew point stands at 54 right now. Continuing throughout our evening hours, we'll see more clouds joining the mix, but looking to stay dry as we head into our overnight, where we are seeing some scattered showers along with some isolated thunderstorms is out there in the Yakima Valley in Washington, the eastern central part of Oregon, the eastern part of the Cascade Crest. That's what I'm trying to say there. That's where they're seeing some lightning out that way. And notice throughout the evening, still central eastern Oregon is in that thunderstorm threat. So not only lightning, but we're looking at some gusty winds possible. Continuing into tomorrow, the Willamette Valley does have the thunderstorm potential. So a slight chance of a non-severe storm can happen here in Portland. As we head into this new week, we are seeing this closed upper level trough and thus cooler temperatures and some showery moments. So let's take a look at those rain chances. Both Monday and Tuesday, we could see a few showers pop up. Monday, remember, there is that chance of a thunderstorm here in Portland in our late afternoon, early evening hours, and then by midweek looking to dry out. Next weekend, though, we could see another round of some isolated showers. Let's time this out for you heading into your Monday morning. Mostly cloudy skies, not only here in the valley, but across much of our region. By the time we get into our mid-morning, Salem will start to see those pop-up showers. Here in the metro, it's the middle of our afternoon here at 3 p.m. We'll see more widespread rain, but notice around Madras, Bend, they could see those thunderstorms. And then Tuesday morning, mostly cloudy, but Tuesday we start to dry out. Take a look at what the weather models are saying. So from now until Monday at 9 p.m., a little over 0.2 of an inch expected here as far as our rain totals go, and then not even looking to add on 1/10 of an inch here in Portland. Vancouver, though, could see some soggier moments. For your Monday on the coast, some patchy morning fog, and then a few showers expected. Low to upper 60s up and down the coast for our Monday. Low 70s for a daytime high. Up and down the Willamette Valley, and we're also still expecting a few showers. Not as much as weather models were saying earlier last week. So that's good. They're backing off a bit, but a few showers there in the afternoon as we look to get into the low 70s. Not only tomorrow for a daytime high, but really for much of the week, hanging out in the low 70s, Lisa, and those overnight lows right around the 60-degree mark. But by the late part of the week, we'll start to warm up and see a little more sunshine.
Okay, so just a few sprinkles tomorrow and Tuesday.
Yes, but if a thunderstorm happens, that's when we'll see those heavier soaking rains.
Ah, okay,
yes.
Be prepared. Thanks.
Yes.
Well, Adam.